I like it dirty. I like it dirty. Ride it like you stole it. Ooh, I'm a sucker for a headband. So where are we today? We're in Newago, Michigan. You're a lot taller than I am. So we're gonna go into like a consignment thrift store. What's it called?
Yeah, I don't know, something 41.
I don't know either. We'll find out, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. We are going to Newago, Michigan, and this is Market 41. It's an adorable thrift store in an old building. It's north of Grand Rapids, Michigan. And if you take 131 and get off at the Newago exit, you just go across town here and you will see this adorable old town of Newago. It's so cute. It's a great old town. They have a lot of walking trails, and you can see the Muskegon River here too. And that is a river you can kayak down or boat down or float down or whatever floats your boat. There's a lot of trails and biking trails and swimming. There's a lot to do here in Newago, Michigan. And make sure that if you're camping or stopping by that you hit Market 41. Look at this cute little church. This is a really neat town. A lot of like early old buildings. It's really busy here on the weekends because people go tubing and stuff. And we are gonna head in. Lots of great little shops to go to. And this adorable little town. Look at these little cute buildings and stuff. Oh, that looks good. Crepes. Crepes and lot. Oh. Pretty flowers. Ooh, it smells like coffee. Yum. Really cute stuff as soon as I walk in the door. Oh, homemade items. I bet they smell absolutely wonderful. They got so much things to look at, I can tell. Ooh, let's see what's over here. Oh, look at these cute little book thingies. I'm not sure what you would do with them, but oh, those are adorable. I absolutely love them. It looks like they put some plant things in them. That's a great idea. This booth is so cute. Some awesome ideas. Oh, they have my favorite brand of candy. What? Oh my goodness, here in Michigan, we have the best cherries, and there's actually a cherry store up north where they sell cherry everything, like cherry pancake stuff and cherry syrups and cherry candies. This is making me kind of thirsty. I might have to get one, and they're only $1.10. Yay, I'm gonna get one of these too. Diet Coke, yes please. I love how everything is displayed so sweetly and adorable. Andy's got some chocolate covered cherries. That looks good too. And they have chocolate covered pretzels and chocolate covered malt balls. Oh my goodness, it's hard to decide, but I think I'm gonna need a couple of these because they just look delicious, and these are not easy to find sometimes. It's a wonderful place that sells all kinds of goodies. And the last time I bought some of these, I was all the way up north in Traverse City, Michigan. And now they're actually local right here, so that's definitely a treat to be able to find these. Andy, get some chocolate covered cherries. Don't have prices and some of them do, so I'm not exactly sure how some of them were priced. I know these were $14, and I am not sure about the other items. Yes, let's both get some. What a great idea. Ooh, let's see what else they have. I want to look in the cabinet of rings, but there are a lot of people, so I'm going to come back around and circle my way back. I like how they have the white displays because you can see everything really good with a white display. I think that's the perfect idea. Have a white background and those black displays on the necklaces. That works out perfectly. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at all these stones. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at this. some of these pieces are handcrafted. Can you imagine the talent that must take to do that? That is really neat. The nice thing is they have new and they have vintage. Oh, look at these. How adorable. Oh my goodness. These are super sweet. I love these crocheted little animals. I wish I had that much talent. So cute. Look how cute these little things are.
That's right up Crafty Witch's alley.
Andy would like those. She does such a good job. She hates making the hair. So cute though. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. Look at this chicken here. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. And they're about, I think, $25. Look at these cute little chickens. They have clothes on. I'm trying to show you, but I'm so short. Ooh, these are so pretty. They have beautiful pieces of jewelry here. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is so adorable. There's like a little bit of vintage things. And there's a little bit of newer items all kind of mixed in one.
Full of rings.
Ooh, oh, $5 rings. Too bad I didn't bring my loop with me, right? They can't be worth that much, I would assume. $5 rings, though. What? Are they marked on the inside? Can't tell. Got some old books. I love old books, and if you even don't want to read them, you can just stack them by color, too, which is fun. Ooh, I'm a sucker for a headband. Oh my goodness. Cute. Oh my goodness, $5. There's a pile of rings that are marked down to $35. Look at this one. It is beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Mm-hmm. She's got all different kinds of jewelry, some pretty fun stuff. Oh my goodness, I have this shirt. Look at that.
Need a hat?
Nope, I don't need a hat. Cute little clothes. $5, that's cheap. Cute styles. Ooh, I even found some Wedgwood. Let's see, what is this priced at? $10. That's pretty reasonable. Some really cute items here. Oh, more jewelry. Get me in trouble. Now here's something you're never supposed to sell, ever. It's actually against the law to sell that. It's against the law. We don't want to do that today. Look at these cute hats. I like it dirty. I'm messing it all up. Happy camper, that's so cute. I like it dirty. For the love of wine. Oh, yum. Ride it like you stole it. Andy, they have panties. Do you need some? Oh, look at this cute little chair. Look at how cute that is. Got some piggies. is cool. Looks like a Bavarian. Very pretty.
That Bob's girlfriend?
Yeah, I could have like a whole collection. I got 2 of them already.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I have 2 of these and they're so cute. I love them. I love them though. Why are they so cute?
I don't know.
I keep coming across them.
I mean, that looks just like Bob.
Yeah.
With a bow.
That's Bobby with a pink bow. So adorable. I don't know why they're so cute though. They are cute. I mean, I need to buy them all and just line them up in a row. I think these are Julia's child. Are they? Maybe not. I don't necessarily think these things are per se vintage, but there's some really cute things curated in this booth for sure. The awesome items, especially if you forgot your earrings or something for the day. I've got some really cute ones. Oops. $6. That's a really good deal. Ozzy glasses. I would for sure up the price on these, especially after celebrity death and the style he wore. See how much these are, only $15. I would up that price. Okay. So now we're gonna head over to Fremont, Michigan to Mancinos, and they have the very best. I'm not kidding, they are my favorite kind of subs. They are absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, you have to stop here if you are in Fremont, Michigan, or if you're going through Newago. It's just a short drive down the road. And it's right on Main Street. You can't miss it. Look at all these great photos of the food. They have all different things. They've got great sandwiches and pizzas. This looks really good. Look at that chicken salad. Wow. But all their vegetables are always really nice and fresh. They are amazingly fresh, and I think that's what makes them so good. So here's the main street in Fremont, and then you just pull right in here to Mancinos, and this is what this looks like. Let's go inside and find some yummy food at one of our favorite pizza places. Can you see yourself? What do you got in there?
Pizza sub.
Pizza sub.
Yeah.
They've got the best subs. And I got the veggie. They're so good.